Our planet Earth is a sight to behold, a vibrant sphere of blue and green, from the vast oceans teeming with life to the lush forests that breathe life into our atmosphere. Earth is a marvel of natural beauty and complexity. But what if this already stunning planet had an additional feature that made it even more extraordinary? Imagine if our world had rings like Saturn. These rings would not only add to the visual splendor of our planet, but also change the way we perceive our place in the cosmos. Picture a celestial belt of ice and rock, a shimmering halo gracing our sky. These rings would be composed of countless particles, each reflecting sunlight and creating a dazzling display of light and color. This is no longer the stuff of science fiction. Advances in our understanding of planetary science make it conceivable to imagine such a phenomenon. Let's explore the awe-inspiring possibilities of an Earth adorned with rings. These rings would not only be a visual marvel, but could also have profound effects on our environment and culture. Imagine gazing up at the night sky. Instead of seeing just the solitary moon, you would witness a colossal band of light arcing across the heavens, a constant reminder of the beauty and mystery of our universe. This colossal band of light would be visible from every corner of the globe, uniting us in a shared experience of wonder and awe. This breathtaking spectacle would be visible from various points on Earth. Whether you are standing on a mountain peak or by the ocean shore, the rings would be a constant presence in the sky. The rings, composed of countless particles of ice and rock, would reflect sunlight, creating a mesmerizing display. Each particle, no matter how small, would contribute to the overall beauty of the rings. This cosmic addition would forever alter our perception of Earth. The rings would become a symbol of our planet's uniqueness and a source of endless fascination. The rings would become an integral part of our planet's identity, a source of endless wonder and inspiration. They would remind us of the beauty and complexity of our universe and our place within it. The appearance of Earth's rings would vary depending on your location and the time of day. Imagine standing in a bustling city, looking up to see a shimmering band of light arching across the sky. The rings would be a constant reminder of the celestial wonders that lie beyond our atmosphere. At the equator, the rings would appear as a thin, bright line stretching from horizon to horizon. This line would be a striking feature, visible even during the day, casting a subtle glow over the landscape. The equatorial regions would have the most direct and consistent view of the rings, making them a unique and integral part of the daily scenery. As you move towards the poles, the rings would gradually tilt, becoming more prominent in the sky. In these regions, the rings would form a majestic arc, dominating the horizon and creating a breathtaking spectacle. The further you traveled from the equator, the more the rings would reveal their full grandeur, curving gracefully across the heavens. Imagine witnessing a sunrise or sunset with rings. The interplay of light and shadow would create a mesmerizing display, with the rings glowing in hues of pink, orange, and gold. Each dawn and dusk would be a unique visual experience, as the sun's rays interacted with the icy particles in the rings. The sun's rays would illuminate the icy particles, creating a dazzling display of colors. These particles would act like tiny prisms, scattering light in all directions and producing a kaleidoscope of colors that would dance across the sky. The rings would be a constant source of wonder and inspiration, reminding us of the beauty and complexity of our universe. The rings would cast ethereal shadows across the Earth's surface, painting landscapes with otherworldly hues. These shadows would shift and change throughout the day, creating a dynamic and ever-changing environment. The interplay of light and shadow would add a new dimension to our world, transforming familiar landscapes into something truly magical. From space, Earth would resemble a miniature Saturn, its rings a testament to the universe's boundless capacity for beauty and wonder. The sight of our planet, adorned with rings, would be a powerful reminder of our place in the cosmos and the incredible forces that shape our world. Imagine the awe of astronauts gazing upon our ringed planet. The rings would be a constant source of fascination, a symbol of the mysteries that still await us in the vast expanse of space. For those lucky enough to see it, the sight of Earth with rings would be an unforgettable experience, a testament to the beauty and wonder of our universe. How could such magnificent rings form around our planet? This question has intrigued scientists and dreamers alike for generations. The beauty and mystery of these rings captivate our imagination, leading us to ponder their origins and the cosmic events that shaped them. One possibility is that they are remnants of a celestial collision. Imagine a time when the solar system was a chaotic place, with asteroids and comets hurtling through space. A massive collision could have sent debris spiraling towards Earth. Billions of years ago, a large moon or asteroid may have ventured too close to Earth, getting torn apart by our planet's gravitational forces. The immense gravitational pull of Earth would have shredded the celestial body into countless fragments. The shattered fragments, caught in Earth's gravitational embrace, would have spread out, forming a ring system. Over time, these fragments would settle into a stable orbit, creating the stunning rings we see today. These rings, composed primarily of ice and rock, would orbit our planet, creating the celestial spectacle we envision. The interplay of light and shadow on these icy particles would create a mesmerizing display, visible from Earth. Another possibility is that the rings formed alongside Earth from the primordial disk of gas and dust that surrounded our young sun. In the early days of the solar system, this disk was a swirling mass of material, gradually coalescing to form planets. Over eons, this material coalesced, giving birth to planets and, in Earth's case, a magnificent ring system. The process of planetary formation is a slow and intricate dance, with gravity pulling particles together to create larger and larger bodies. In this cosmic ballet, Earth's rings could have formed as a natural byproduct of the planet's birth. The presence of rings would have profound effects on Earth's environment. The rings would reflect sunlight back into space, potentially lowering global temperatures. This cooling effect could influence weather patterns and climate zones. The rings could also disrupt satellite communications. The constant bombardment of ring particles would pose a hazard to spacecraft and satellites, potentially disrupting communication and navigation systems. Furthermore, the ring's gravitational pull could alter Earth's tides. Instead of the familiar ebb and flow governed by the moon, we might experience more complex tidal patterns, influenced by both the moon and the rings. Section 5, Moonlight Sonata, the dance of tides and our lunar companion. The moon plays a vital role in shaping Earth's tides, but with the addition of rings, this celestial dance would become even more intricate. The gravitational pull of the rings, combined with the moon's influence, would create a complex interplay of forces. Imagine coastal regions experiencing higher tides or multiple high tides throughout the day. This shift in tidal patterns would have significant implications for marine life, coastal communities, and navigation. The moon itself might appear differently as well. The rings could cast shadows on the lunar surface, creating eclipses unlike anything we observe today. Section 6. A tapestry of wonder, culture and history under ringed skies. If Earth had always possessed rings, our cultural and historical narratives would be vastly different. Imagine ancient civilizations gazing upon these celestial wonders, weaving them into their myths and legends. The rings might have inspired architectural marvels, works of art and religious beliefs. Our understanding of astronomy and the cosmos would have been shaped by the presence of these celestial rings. Throughout history, scientists, artists, and dreamers would have been captivated by the rings, their imaginations ignited by their ethereal beauty and scientific significance. Section 7. Shadows and shimmers. Life's rhythms in a ringed world. Life on Earth has evolved under the rhythmic cycles of day and night, but with rings, these cycles would be further nuanced. The ring's shadows sweeping across the planet's surface would create areas of varying light intensity. Imagine plants adapting to these unique light conditions, developing unusual pigmentation or growth patterns. Animals, too, would adjust their behavior, their rhythms of life synchronized to the dance of shadows and light created by the rings. This interplay of light and shadow would add another layer of complexity and beauty to Earth's already diverse ecosystems. Section 8. Cosmic Ballet, Earth's place in the grand scheme. The presence of rings would serve as a constant reminder of Earth's place within the grand cosmic ballet. We would see ourselves not as isolated inhabitants of a solitary planet, but as part of a larger celestial tapestry. The rings would inspire us to explore the universe, to unravel the mysteries of its formation and evolution. They would foster a sense of wonder and curiosity, encouraging us to look beyond our planet and ponder the vastness of space. The study of Earth's rings would provide invaluable insights into the dynamics of planetary systems, shedding light on the processes that shape worlds and their celestial companions. Section 9. A universe of imagination, the enduring allure of the unknown. While the concept of Earth with rings remains in the realm of imagination, it serves as a powerful reminder of the universe's boundless possibilities. It sparks our curiosity, urging us to explore, to question, and to imagine. The universe is filled with wonders beyond our wildest dreams. By embracing our imagination, we open ourselves to the infinite beauty and mystery that await us among the stars. So the next time you gaze upon the night sky, let your mind wander. Imagine the possibilities, embrace the unknown, and allow yourself to be captivated by the enduring allure of the cosmos.